How to see watched videos on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen, and then click on settings and privacy. And here you want to scroll down to the content and activity section, and from there click on watch history. And here you will find all the videos that you have watched. The most recent ones will be on the top, and then it will be going back and back and back all the way down. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can watch and see the videos or the watched videos on your TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.